Guys, my name is Selena and I am a tutor of English and an interpreter, and today we're talking about the sound p, p and how to make correctly this sound. Okay, so at first you should close your lips hard, and after you should push your air forward in your mouth, p, and then open your lips quickly. When you make this sound, take a piece of paper and practice using it, and it must be trembling. Watch it. Peter, pen, pencil, postcard, picture, passport. Yeah, it must be trembling. When it's not trembling, it's incorrect. Peter, postcard, passport. It's not trembling, but it must be trembling. Peter, paper. Okay, so now please repeat after me. Pencil, pen, picture, postcard, passport, pins, people, pepper pot, spoon, newspaper, pocket, Peter, pen, cup. And now I'm going to show you some objects, and I will give them names, yeah? And you should repeat after me. For example, pencil, pencil, pencil. Pen, pen, pen. Picture, picture, picture. Postcard, postcard, postcard. Pins and clips, pins, pins, pins. Passport, passport, passport. Spoon, spoon. Cup, cup, cup. Newspaper, newspaper, newspaper. Frying pan or pen. It can be also a cap. Yeah. So people, people. There are so many people. And okay, so and not Peter, but Peter, 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 yeah? Okay, so, and I will show you and you will name it. What is it? Pen, pen. What is it? Pencil, pencil. What is it? Passport, passport. What is it? Pins, pins. What is it? Cup, cup. And what is it? Pepper pot, pepper pot, pepper pot, pepper pot. Yeah? Okay, so thanks for watching me. I wish you a good day, many positive emotions, and you can also visit my website leanschool.com. See you guys, bye.